I know that I'm example. I know 100% in the pitch and outside the pitch. So I'm always smile. I'm happy, man. I'm blessed that I play in a fantastic club. I have a fantastic family. I have 4 kids. I'm healthy. I have everything. So the rest doesn't interfere on me. So I'm very, very glad.
Ronaldo, they all back away from him again and he shoots. Oh, it's gone in! A second goal, a thunderbolt from Ronaldo. Real Madrid are looking unbeatable here. We knew on who the goalkeeper might just be a little disappointed. Those mighty legs of Cristiano Ronaldo.